Hello, my name is Ashley Robertson, and in this video I'm going to be talking about my fourth activity for the book A Bad Case of Stripes by David Shannon. This center is created for my ELL students, my English language learners. It addresses the third grade standard LAFS.3.RL.1.1, which states ask and answer questions to demonstrate understanding of a text, inferring explicitly to text as the basis for the answers. This center will be set up at a listening center, so there will be Chromebooks and headphones for the students to use. And each student will have their little baggie to take with them. And when they pull their materials out, it will have the instructions first. It says, you will be listening to A Bad Case of Stripes on storylineonline.net. And it will already be pulled up on the computer for them. When you finish listening to the book, you will be answering questions about what you heard. There will be a PowerPoint at the bottom for them to click on. So there it says click on the PowerPoint at the bottom of the screen and listen carefully to the questions. Record your answers on the answer sheet provided. So students will be listening to the book, and then they will be listening to the questions and recording their answers on the answer sheet provided. When they are finished answering their question, they will need to create a question of their own and use text evidence to answer it. Provide the page number of your answer. These students will be able to work with a partner to create their questions. Unlike any of the other students in my class, this will be the recording sheet for students to record their questions on. And the questions that will be asked of them verbally online. Question number 1 is, how does Camellia feel about the lima beans? They will record their answer. They will be giving A through D multiple choice. It says, what was Camellia's problem at the beginning of the story? Question number 3, what was the doctor's solution to Camellia's stripe problem? Question number 4, how did the kids at school react when they saw Camellia's stripes? And question number 5, what was the cure to Camellia's bad case of stripes? These are all recall questions that should be easy for ELL students to answer correctly. And like I said, when they get finished with that, they will work with a partner to create their own question. Partners cannot create the same question, but they can help each other create their own. Students will be graded on 4 different areas in the center with a total point value of 16. They will be graded on interaction with technology. So if student did not listen to the read aloud and answer questions, they will get a 0. If student listened to the read aloud and answered some questions, they will get a 2. If student listened to the read aloud and answered all questions, they will get a 4. Following directions is another thing they will be graded on. If student did not follow directions, they will get a 0. If they followed some directions, they will get a 2. If they followed all directions, they will be given a 4. Question creation would be another one that they are graded on. If student did not create a question to answer, they got a 0. If they created a question but did not provide an answer to their question, they get a 2. If students created a question, answered it, and provided a page number to the question, they get a 4. Percentage of answers answered correctly. So if no questions answered or no correct answers, they would get a 0. Some answers answered correctly, they would get a 2. Most or all answers answered correctly, they would get a 4. I chose this for my ELL students because sometimes it's easier for them to hear instead of read questions and answers. And that is why I chose this one for my ELL students. That is all I have. Thank you.